pretty fast. Now we'll jump on to the conversation or how you sort of dissect an image or a situation. Okay. This was deliberately a bit hard, and it's okay to have a hard situation in front of you and you still make smaller sentences. Okay. So try not to like jump to the longer sentences directly. This is what we discussed last week, where I showed you the image. Okay. You have to dissect the image, and you will speed it up slowly, but it's okay to be slow right now, where you scan the image, you dissect what are the different nouns, vocabulary, words that you see in this image. What are the different subjects or pronouns you see in this image? Okay. Are there any active verbs? Okay. Then you gradually make the sentences. What are the new words you see? Forget about the sentences. If you were to just look at the image, what are the new vocabulary words that you had to educate yourself on when you saw this image? Okay, Suraksha is even at your or current level, if you were to just say and I'm gonna give the pattern which we even if you were to just say yeh and hai and vah hai, that itself is fine, which is nothing but this is and that is. You can, in between, you can just use the English words and that's totally acceptable. Or even if you were to just say yahan hai and wahan. You want to make a guess what that is? Yahan and wahan? That's right, here and there. Like restroom wahan hai, snacks yahan hai. Safety instructions card kahan hai? As a passenger, I'm asking you, uh, or if I'm asking you, oxygen mask kahan hai? Yeah, oxygen mask wahan hai. But now, what other simple things you notice? You know how you have exit, and you will read the word there, nikas, which is like a more formal one. Ni, ka with a, and then nikas. So emergency is apatkaleen. ये है व्यापारी is businessman, व्यापारी लोग is business people. Okay, so ये एक हवाई जहाज है, हवाई जहाज में व्यापारी लोग बैठे हैं. Okay, like business people are sitting in the plane, right? I mean, दो आदमी white shirts पहने हुए हैं. You can say that two people are or two men are wearing the white shirt. So the verb is sunna, but she can say suniye, which is please listen. She can say dekhiye, which is please notice or please watch. The verb is dekhna. But from an air hostess perspective, one of the key thing is learning about imperative, how you make requests to people. So to tie a seatbelt would be very good. Bandhiye. Bandhiye is please tie your seatbelt. Seatbelt bandhiye. Okay. सेफ्टी इंस्ट्रक्शन सुनिए, सेफ्टी इंस्ट्रक्शन कार्ड देखिए, सीट बेल्ट बांधिए, लगाइए. Okay, लगाइए is to put the safety mask, or you can say पहनिए, पहनिए. Beautiful. Okay, so that would be to open would be, yeah, beautiful. खोलिए, beautiful. You need to know, if you know the verbs right away, you can just convert them into imperatives. And that's a polite way of requesting, like सुनिए, देखिए, बांधिए, लगाइए, पहनिए, खोलिए. Okay. Or DGA. If she's collecting the trash, it's DGA. Okay. What else? Anything else? Yeah, बैठिए. Beautiful. What do you think? To turn down something would be बंद करना, and that would become, yeah. So बंद करना is the verb because it's irregular. बंद करना. It becomes बंद कीजिए. Right? So turn off the light. कृपया light बंद कीजिए. Okay. कृपया खिड़की बंद कीजिए, और द विंडो, कृपया विंडो बंद कीजिए. ब्यूटिफुल. बंद कीजिए. राइट. टर्न ऑफ योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस. अपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट्स को और लैपटॉप को बंद
Yeah.
कीजिए. Yeah, or you can say airplane mode में switch कीजिए. Yeah, towels लीजिए. You can also say a lot of चाहना also you can use like आप क्या, आपको क्या चाहिए type. But hopefully we'll cover it in the next sentence. Okay, beautiful. Air hostess सभी को सुरक्षा के नियम समझा रही है. I know it's kind of hard to translate everything, but it's okay. Even if it means that you are just listening to some keywords, that's totally fine. And my hope is over time we'll move away from that, like, the translation part of it.